BeautyBox subscribers, welcome to today's unboxing video. We're going to be doing a wonderful unboxing of our April Time to Reflect beauty box. Here is the box, and if you've been subscribed to our beauty boxes for a while, you probably have noticed a packaging change. That is because we have finally moved into our own facility where we are making our own boxes and we're fulfilling our own products and sending them right out to you guys. So you probably noticed that you got this box super quick in the mail. That is thanks to having our own facility, and we are so excited. Along with our new packaging, I just wanted to point out our packing peanuts. You'll notice a ton of these in your box, and we strive for eco-friendliness and eco-consciousness. These packing peanuts are actually biodegradable, so you can test it out. Get a bowl of water or a cup of water, dip these in, and they will melt right before your eyes, so it's super earth-friendly, and we are trying to do our best as a company to eliminate waste. So in this month's box, the first thing you will see is our Time to Reflect pamphlet. This is going to have all of our products that are in this month's beauty box all laid out for you. It will tell you the names of each product as well as how to use them and what they do. Now, if you guys want to follow along, please do, because I will be breaking down each and every product that you received this month. And again, we have a nice surprise at the end. It is a promo code, so stay tuned for that. The first product that you guys have received in this month's beauty box is our Mission Accomplished refill. This is a full-size refill that will replenish your empty jars, and you can most definitely use this refill just by itself. Just make sure that you're screwing the cap on really tightly. Mission Accomplished is a DNA cell rejuvenating age reversal serum. It is this pretty orange mousse like consistency that's going to help the suppleness of your skin. It's going to help with sun damage, texture, as well as helping with aging and wrinkles. So you're definitely going to love this Step 3 rebuild. If you're familiar with our beauty boxes, you know that we launch a new product in our beauty boxes every single month. This month's new product that you guys received is our new Night Shift Nighttime Repair Lip Mask. This is in a new flavor. It is watermelon. It smells so good, and if you put this on at night, oh my gosh, it is literally the best. You will wake up with no crusty lips. Night Shift is great for helping the plumpness of your lips and helping out the dryness of your lips. You don't just have to use Night Shift at night. Pro tip, if you use this throughout the day, you will not notice any sort of crusting or dryness on your lips, and it's just great for overall hydration. Something that I really love about this is that it's not sticky on the lips, so you can rub your lips together as much as you want without that sticky film that happens with some products, but this is great for overall hydration. You guys are gonna love this. The next goodie that we have here is a travel-sized Let's Face It face mask. This is meant for oily skin or acne-prone skin. Let's Face It contains sulfur and witch hazel, which is going to draw out impurities from the skin and keep it nice and fresh. The zinc oxide that is in this Let's Face It is going to help dry out your blemishes as well as promote healing. Another pro tip for Let's Face It, if you don't have time to let this fully dry before you wash it off, you can just put this on before nighttime and do spot treatments on some blemishes that you might have to really dry out the spot. And the next morning, it's basically dried out. It is fantastic for events. If you have something going on the next day and you feel like you have this breakout coming, dab some Let's Face It on it and it will dry it out. It's amazing. Now for everybody's favorite part of the beauty boxes, we have some Beauty Society swag. This month we have released a Beauty Society keychain to put on your keys so you can represent the brand that you love everywhere you go. It is the Bird of Paradise. It's gold and it's beautiful. Next up, we have a travel-sized Fake ID Glycolic Rejuvenating Serum. This is a step 2 resurfacing product that is going to help enlarged pores, fine lines and wrinkles, and even hyperpigmentation. So amazing. Using Fake ID for as little as 3 days, you will start to notice changes in your skin and just bright and glowing resurfaced skin. The amazing thing about resurfacing products like this is that you don't have to manually exfoliate your face in order to shed the dead layers of your skin. One of my favorite products that we have included in this month's box is Perfect Form. This is a travel size that you guys got. It is a neck and décolleté repair cream. This is one of our step 3 rebuild products. The key active ingredients in Perfect Form are going to help with the firmness of your skin. So if you're experiencing some fine lines and wrinkles around the neck and décolleté, this is a really nice, thick and hydrating cream for those areas, and it's going to help the suppleness of your skin as well. Perfect Form is actually great for under the eyes and around the crow's feet area. It is my favorite under eye cream. The next product that you guys will have received, I don't want to turn it around because you'll see my camera, but the next product that you guys received is this shower mirror. It is perfect to put in your shower if you like doing your skincare in there in the morning. It's also great for men who like to shave in the shower. This will actually peel off and stick right to your tiles or shower door, and it will not come off. The suction on this is amazing. Test it out for yourself and see. It's such a cool product, and it also goes along with our theme this month of Time to Reflect. As a huge thank you for being part of our Beauty Society family by subscribing to our beauty boxes, we have included an awesome coupon for you guys this month. You guys are getting $20 off of your next $60 order, and this will expire on May 20th. So make sure to use this coupon before it expires to get your next purchase and some more amazing goodies. If you loved anything in this box, the travel size versions, make sure to get the full size. They are amazing, and we are so happy that you guys have finally received your boxes, and we hope you guys love our new packaging. So please, in the comments down below, let us know how you guys are liking our new packaging, or send us an email to support@beautysociety.com to give us your feedback. Thank you guys so much for watching this month's unboxing video of our April Time to Reflect beauty box. If you guys like this video, give it a like, and definitely comment about the packaging, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.